10 healthy and tasty protein shake recipes after a gym workout. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 delicious and nutritious protein shake recipes that are perfect for replenishing your energy after a grueling gym workout. So let's jump right in. Recipe 1. Chocolate banana protein shake. Our first protein shake is a classic favorite, the chocolate banana protein shake. To make this, you'll need 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a handful of ice. Blend everything together until smooth and you've got a tasty treat packed with protein. Recipe 2. Up next is the Berry Blast protein shake. This one is great if you love berries. Combine 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, a cup of mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and some almond milk. Blend until creamy and enjoy the burst of flavors. Recipe 3. Green Machine protein shake. If you're looking for something refreshing and packed with greens, try our Green Machine protein shake. Combine 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder, a handful of spinach, 1 frozen banana, a tablespoon of almond butter, and some coconut water. Blend until it reaches your desired consistency, and you've got a nutrient-rich shake. Recipe 4. Peanut butter chocolate protein shake. Now, who doesn't love the combination of peanut butter and chocolate? For this recipe, you'll need 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a cup of milk, you can use dairy or plant-based milk, and a handful of ice. Blend until smooth and indulge in this decadent treat. Recipe 5. Coffee Lovers protein shake. Calling all coffee lovers, our coffee protein shake is a delightful blend of caffeine and protein. Combine 1 scoop of coffee-flavored protein powder, 1 shot of espresso, or a cup of strong coffee, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a cup of almond milk. Blend well and kickstart your day with this energizing shake. Recipe 6. Tropical Paradise protein shake. Craving a taste of the tropics, our Tropical Paradise protein shake is just what you need. Combine 1 scoop of coconut-flavored protein powder, a cup of pineapple chunks, a ripe banana, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of coconut water. Blend until smooth and transport yourself to a sandy beach with every sip. Recipe 7. Oatmeal cookie protein shake. Yes, you heard that right, an oatmeal cookie protein shake. For this unique recipe, you'll need 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of almond butter, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a cup of milk. Blend all the ingredients together and enjoy the taste of a classic cookie in a healthier shake form. Recipe 8. Mint chocolate chip protein shake. Who said protein shakes can't be indulgent? Our mint chocolate chip protein shake is like dessert in a glass. Combine 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, a handful of fresh mint leaves, a tablespoon of dark chocolate chips, a cup of milk, and some ice cubes. Blend everything together, and you've got a guilt-free treat for those sweet cravings. Recipe 9. Almond Joy protein shake. If you're a fan of the popular candy bar, you'll love this Almond Joy protein shake. Combine 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, a tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, a handful of almond slices, a cup of milk, and some ice. Blend until creamy and enjoy the flavors of coconut, chocolate, and almonds in each sip. Recipe 10. PB&J protein shake. Last but not least, we have the PB&J protein shake, inspired by the classic sandwich we all know and love. Combine 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a handful of fresh or frozen berries, a cup of milk, and some ice. Blend until smooth, and satisfy your childhood cravings with this nostalgic shake. And that wraps up our video on 10 healthy and tasty protein shake recipes to enjoy after a gym workout. We hope you found these recipes helpful and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness and nutrition content. Feel free to make any adjustments or add personal touches to the script to fit your style and preferences. Protein shakes are a popular choice for post-workout nutrition because they offer several benefits. Muscle recovery and repair. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. After a workout, your muscles need adequate protein to repair the damage caused by the exercise. Protein shakes provide a convenient and quick way to supply your body with the necessary amino acids. Increased muscle protein synthesis. Protein shakes can help stimulate muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of building new muscle tissue. Consuming protein after a workout can enhance this process and promote muscle growth. Convenient and portable. Protein shakes are easy to prepare, convenient to consume, and portable. They provide a quick and efficient way to replenish your body with protein and other important nutrients post-workout, especially if you're on the go or have limited time. Faster nutrient absorption. Liquid protein shakes are generally more quickly absorbed compared to whole food sources of protein. This means that the amino acids can be delivered to your muscles faster, aiding in the recovery process. Customizable to your needs. Protein shakes come in various flavors and protein sources, such as whey, casein, soy, or plant-based options. This allows you to choose a shake that aligns with your dietary preferences and provides the desired amount of protein. Remember that while protein shakes can be beneficial, they should not be used as a substitute for a balanced diet. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate protein intake and to ensure it aligns with your individual fitness goals.